Okay, today I'm going to do an Oracle database activity using SQL Developer. So after do this activity, you will be able to understand how to create a table, how to insert data into table, how to create a view, and how to drop a table. So the first question is, we have to create two tables called employees and department. I have already created that coding part because it takes some time to do. Then I'm going to copy paste it, the create table part. So you can see here, create table, department, the table name, and coding and data types. We have to select it and run. Table department created. Then we have to insert data into this department table. I'm going to insert some data into department table. Insert into department the table name, values, and data. We have to select this and run. Row inserted. So after that, we have to create another table called employee. So okay, we have to select it and run. Table employees created. Next, we have to insert data into this employees table. The same method, insert into employees table, the table name and values and data. We have to select all and run. The rows are inserted. After that, the next question is, we have to create a view. The name called EMP salary 1, and we have to create a where clause because it says the employees who are earning less than 35,000, and attributes EMP ID, name, date join, salary, decode. You can see these here, EMP ID, name, ename, dates join, these details. So now I'm going to create a view. So create view, name EMP salary 01, EMP salary 01 as and let us create a select EMP ID. Next, ename and date joined. Next, salary. The code. After that, we need to from the employees table type employees and where. The where clause is salary. Salary is less than 35,000. Okay, you have to select this and run. have to change something in here. Going to enter salary, EMP salary 001. Okay, view EMP salary 1 created. After that, we have to insert data into EMP salary 1. Then I'm going to insert some data into EMP salary 1. Here I'm going to copy paste it. Select and run. Go insert it. So now I'm going to move the next question. We have to create the same view called EMP salary 2. So in here, to overcome the weakness that you have observed in question 4, above still enable the insertion into EMP salary 2. In here, we have to set check option. They said overcome the weakness that you have observed in question 4, above still enable the insertion into EMP salary 2. The same method we have to use check option. Okay, I'm going to create EMP salary 2, create a view. I'm going to copy paste it and change into 2, and we have to set with check option. Select all and run. View EMP salary 2 created. Then we have to insert some data into EMP salary 2, the created view. Now I'm going to insert some data into this created view. Insert into EMP salary 2 these values. I'm going to select all and run. You can see an error here, only inserted one row. The reason is, you can see this person, this employee salary is less than 35,000, then only insert one row. The view with check option where clause violation. That's why this value is not inserted into EMP salary 2. So then I'm going to move the next question. In here, create the same view with the name. We have to create another view, EMP salary 3. So in here, prevent update. So in EMP salary 3, to prevent updates, try inserting the records. We have to insert these record to EMP salary 3. So let's see how to do this. I'm going to copy paste it. We have to change it to 3, and the question says create the same view with the name EMP salary 3 to prevent updates. Try inserting the record. We have to insert this record. with these details. That means with the read only method we can only read it. Then we have to set read only method, read with read only. You set with read only, because they said create the same view with the name EMP salary to prevent updates. We have to only read only, we can't update it. So we have to select all and run. View EMP salary 3 is created. Then we have to insert some data into this created view. I'm going to insert it. Insert. So you can see cannot perform DML operation on a read only view, because we can't update it, we only read only. The next question is, this is create another view called EMP details. In here, with the attributes name, designation, current salary, dname and service. Current salary would be only show 90% of the existing salary, and the service represents the number of years that an employee has worked for the company. So let's see how to do this question. We have to create a view called EMP details. EMP detail as create view, detail has select in this question we have to use two tables, because the reason is they ask e-name, designation, current salary and the department name and service. Then we have to use that two tables. Then first I'm going to create that from clause. Then you can understand why. Then you can understand. Before I'm to go employee, to select E, and department employees, department D. So we need to use ename dot ename, and they have designation dot designation, and salary. So in here we have to check, we need to check that salary is only 90%. Current salary would only Then we have to set is 0.9 and as current salary. Then we have to set current salary, and the next one is department name. After that, we have to create an extract clause. Because we need to, the question is the create view, the current salary would only show 90 of the existing salary, and the service represent the number of years that an employee has worked of the company. Let's see how to check that. We have to create extract to check this. Year from current date. The current date we have to extract the year from date joined. This is as service. Then we have to create a where clause the ed code and the d code. So the reason is that we use the two tables. We need to find a department, then decode. So let's see is it work or not. The name and designation. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to run it. Is invalid name identify the D. The name. Yes, in here we have to set D name. Okay, view EMP detail created. After that, we have to check is it work or not. Then I'm going to select all. And from EMP detail. Okay, now you can see the service and a salary and a name and the designation. These details. That's the way to do that question. Create a view called EMP detail with the attributes ename, designation, current salary, dname and service. and the current salary would be only shown 90% of the existing salary, and the service represents the number of years that an employee worked for the company. This is the service years 50, 50, 15, 15, 20, the service years. So now I'm going to move to next question. Okay. Create a view EMP mark using the view EMP details to show only the employees in marketing department. However, instead of the salary, it should have an attribute called sal status, which is defined as follows: salary less than 30,000, salary less than 45,000, salary greater than and equal 45,000. So let's see how to do this question. We have to create another view called EMP mark. I'm going to create it. Create a view EMP marks. And we have to set name and designation, dname, service, and cell status. Yes, cell status. After that, select name, designation, and dname and service. After that, we need to create case. So in here, the question says to create a view EMP marks using the view EMP details to show only the employees in marketing department, and we have to use these check options also. Then we have to use case in a when current salary, when current salary is less than 30,000, then it's low. Then we have to Then next one is current salary less than 45,000, and current, you have to check current salary is greater than 30,000. Then it is a medium. It's medium, and else high. Then result end sal status from the EMP details, from EMP detail, and we have to create a where clause. Dname equal marketing, because they ask to show only the employees in marketing. Then we have to use marketing. So let's see it's working. Select all, and yes, view EMP marks created. Then we have to check is it work or not. Select all, from EMP marks. I'm going to run it. Yes, is your Amal manager, Malin secretary, and a department name, and a service year, and the sales status is shown high, medium. So let's see these details, is it correct or not. In here, yes, Amal, the salary is 60,000 rupees, and this 45,000 rupees, that medium, is high. Just the way to do that this question. The next question is easy. Delete the view EMP details. So that's the last question. Now I'm going to do that question. Yes, I'm going to drop it. That means delete, drop view EMP detail, and drop view EMP detail. View EMP detail dropped. Then I'm going to check it. Select all, and from emp mark. Yeah, it's showing an error because there is no any table called emp detail, then that's why it's showing this error. So then I hope you can understand how to do an Oracle database activity using SQL Developer. These are the questions: how to create employee table and how to insert data into that table, and how to create a view and how to insert data into that view the same way, and how to use check options and how to do these other activities. Then I hope you can understand these details and this activity, and thank you.